What is this thing? I have to click the red button.
Yes, you have to click the red button.
The red button. Wait. Okay, it works.
Thank you so much for being here with us today, Anton.
It's actually Antoine. It's not Anton.
When did your artistic journey start?
I started when I was only 2 weeks old. I was not interested in diapers or breastfeeding. I really loved paint. I was eating paint, I was covering myself with it. My parents, they were also artists. My mama and papa, they were very supportive of this endeavor.
Who inspires you as an artist?
The only artist who inspires me is myself. I have never had a teacher or a mentor. Ever since I was a baby, I was my own mentor. I never needed another person to ruin my purity. You cannot learn my style from university, from school. I take a shit on a chair. Where do you think this comes from? Do I go to school and I say, oh, take a shit on a chair? No, this comes from within. I do not go to visit the gallery for inspiration. I visit the gallery of my soul. This shit right here is 4 years old. It is still in very good condition. Yes, it still tastes the exact same as it did all this time. But if I would give you one person who has inspired me greatly, it would probably be François Hollande. He was a great painter, great French painter, le second best in all of France. After me, obviously.
My sources say that you're from Finland.
Who is your sources? Who said I'm from Finland? This is bullshit. I don't understand. Next question. Next question. Quickly.
How would you categorize your artistic style?
There are no categories. But if there were categories, my art would transcend le style. Why do you think it is that my art sells for 200,000 euros?
It is a penis.
It is a combination of the best artists of our generation.
We could say it is my penis from a very big distance.
So I'm talking Tommy Wiseau, there would be Picasso, The Rock, there would be Belle Delphine. Stop it! No more!
A lot of our viewers were wondering, where did you develop your French accent?
My accent? I was born like this. I had a very deep voice for a baby. This makes many other kids scared because they're like, what this guy is talking like a French man.
Bon, on peut continuer la conversation en français si vous le voulez.
No more interview. If you're going to talk to me in this French poem, stop the camera right now. You cameraman, get out of here. Il parle avec me in this weird language. He says it's French. It's not French. He's speaking to me in riddles. Do not put this in the documentary. Do not. What is Finland? Okay, let's continue. They pay me $3,000 for this, so whatever.
Where do you see yourself in 10 years?
I believe I will create my own art school. We will teach les étudiants, the students. Art is not meant to be created. In the universities of this generation, there is too much making art in school. There is less opening up a bouteille du vin, going on the couch and thinking about great pieces of art like myself. Get out of here! Get out of here! Get out! Why is nobody buying you? I told you to get out of here! Get out! Leave me alone! Rotini! You could be art, but no one wants to buy you! Why? Finalement, I would say Picasso will be asking for my autograph.
Well, Picasso passed away 40 years ago.
Quel sh**. What grenouille is this guy? Talks like this, oh, Picasso is more. I don't understand why they are saying this bullshit to me. We never said I need to finish the interview. They are insulting me. Zut alors. Okay, I finished the interview. Finish your interview for you. Not for you, for me. For my 2,000 euro.
Is there anything you would say to the younger generation of artists out there?
Probably to buy my art. My art has a power to inspire. You don't need to go to school, you don't need to get a job. You just know how to be an artist. Honestly, I think this is basically me giving it away for free. It is a bird.
How would you respond to criticism about your art being too conceptual for the general public?
Qui a dit ça? Who said this? I do not do this interview anymore. I'm leaving. Goodbye. Antoine says au revoir. What do you mean too conceptual? This is bullshit. Qui a dit ça? Qui a dit que c'était conceptuel? Is it because I shit on a chair? Because I put a question mark? I question la humanité. I question all of nature and nature and philosophy. It is you who is stupid. It is you, the public, who don't understand me, who don't understand where my art comes from. I'm leaving. Au revoir.
Buy my art, okay? It's antoine.fr. Thank you very much. F you.